Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. Into this video guys, I have a Van Cleef and Arpels unboxing to you guys, and this is the cheapest jewelry item from Van Cleef. So I didn't see this one at the first time, but when I'm scrolling it, the whole jewelry, you can see this item. And so yeah, I surprised that I found this one. So I just got it today. So mine as well to unbox this. So here is the item. What is this? Pretty sure this is all the return slip and everything, or your receipt as well. So I'll just put the box, guys. So they didn't give me like a shopping bag or yeah. So that's what it looks like. So yeah, just a shopping bag this time, and it's really cute, and it's like a shoe box and doesn't like it was before. Let me see if this is a, yeah, you just pull this one on the side over here. Let's see guys, so straight. This is so cute. So yeah, you just pull like this. It's a nice box. So you can fold as well for like a, I keep all the boxes from Van Cleef anyway. Oh, there is a shopping bag. There goes a small item. And I don't know what it is. Let me see. They have this, guys, but I tried to open it. Oh, it's a cleaning, or yeah, it's a cleaning cloth. Oh, surprised they just give you a cleaning cloth. They didn't give me one on my two of this of my item, which is nice that I have that cleaning cloth. And then what is this? Yeah, your authenticity cards, travel pouch. So there is the beauty. So the packaging, it's so cute. As you can see, it's small, tiny. So let's do open it. By the way, I request a catalog from them and they don't even respond to me at all. I don't know if you have any limit how much you purchase from them so you can get a free catalog, but anyway. So another box. So as usual, a beautiful color of this, like avocado color. So the item is, ta-da! I don't know if you can see, guys. It is the necklace, and it's really tiny, and I smell like a plasticky, but anyway. So I picked a rose gold because I'm using this one for my as used as a necklace for my Alhambra 6 motif. So I've been looking almost similar to this. It does similar, guys, so I can use this one. So I don't know how to, okay, there she is. This is the 42 cm, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And look, it's a very simple chain, and the hook, it's quite big though, as you can see. I'm gonna do a comparison for this one and my Cartier, and because they are like, I never thought that Van Cleef has this chain only. The name of this one, chain trace, I think, 42 cm. So yeah, and it's, I will do comparison for this one. And what I love about this one over here is quite, the closure is like quite bigger than the, yeah, it is. This one over here is quite small, but this one is quite big. So yeah, I also, you want to use this one for my Hermes ring, and so I can wear that also as a necklace. And this time, guys, they give me a good one. Doesn't like scratches at all, as I can see far from here that I look. So I'm gonna try this one. So it's easy to put on. It doesn't look long as well, and I can use this one as a choker. I'm gonna stand up, guys, so you can see. So yeah, I can use this one as a choker like that. It's really nice for layering all your necklace, as you can see here, but this one in a rose gold. And also I want to try this one to use as a necklace as well for my 6 motif. And so yeah, oh my god, it's really nice. I never thought it was small like this. I thought it was like longer, but I'm glad that it's a shorter, because I don't like too long, because like I said, I'm gonna use this one as my necklace. Let me remove my necklace and my bracelet in here, so I can try for this as a necklace. I've been looking at rose gold even though in town, but like I said, I'm looking for a similar chain. But I'm glad that I did check in the Van Cleef. I'm really glad that I scroll all the way the jewelry and you can find this. Actually, just scroll down all the necklace and it will show everything in the necklace in here. So this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna put, guys, so I can show you. Yeah, this is, I'm gonna plan to use. See, I can see I can use like that. I don't mind for that. I can adjust this one from here, but I like if I wear a really cute top, like a V top, I can wear like this. I did try that before using my VCA necklace. It was cute as well, but this one, it's more nicer and I like it better like that. But I still want to use my necklace and put my other VCA, because this one of gold, and you can, the other Alhambra sweet, the sweet one is still dangling in here on the side, so it's so cute. So yeah, I was planning like that, guys, make a statement like this. So yeah, that's why I'm getting this necklace one. And like I said, I'm gonna do a comparison video for my other for my Cartier and this one. And I think, from I'm not mistaken, because the Cartier is increased the price and it was 610 now. Before I bought like 510, and this one is 570 pounds. So I think VC is cheaper, but I'm gonna do a comparison like I said for this one, for this chain, so you can see what is the difference, which one is better to get. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's it for my quick unboxing today, and hope I'll see you on my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!